I'm going to be reviewing how to check or verify a solution to an equation. So for example, given the equation 7x plus 2y equals 8 and the point 2 comma negative 3, notice that this is my x value and this is my y value. So anywhere I see an x, I'm going to then replace that with a positive 2. And anywhere I see a y, I'm going to replace that with a negative 3. If I replace those two values, I have now my new equation to be 7 times 2 plus 2 times negative 3 equals 8, and we're going to go ahead and verify or check that this statement is true. That's what we want. We want this to be true. If it's not true, then we know the given point is not a solution to this equation. If this statement ends up being true, then we know it is a solution to this equation. So let's find out. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 2 times negative 3, that gives me a negative 6. Does that equal 8? And you realize that this does. So we get 8 equals 8. This checks off. This is true. And so what that means is that this is indeed a solution point. So once again, when you are checking or verifying if a point is a solution to an equation, you will be replacing, substituting the x value anywhere you see an x. You will be replacing, substituting the y value anywhere you see a y. You then work out or simplify the expression on the left. And if you get the same thing on the left as you do on the right, which we did in this case, and it turns out to be true, that means that it is a solution point to the equation. If this statement here turns out to be false, that would mean it is not a solution to the equation. This was just a quick review on checking and verifying solutions to an equation.